Hi, good evening. I was listening to a podcast by KB Subramaniam, who is Chief Economic Advisor at the PM office and now the Executive Director at International Monetary Fund. He says that India will become a developed nation by 2047, which is the dream of the Prime Minister, which is Viksit Bharat. No, his argument is based on two principles. One is the principle of compounding, and second is the rule of 72. Let us understand what he's trying to say exactly. He has compared the two economies, first is Japan and India. Japan in 1970 had a GDP of 215 billion US dollar. Per capita GDP was hovering around $2,100. The yen to dollar ratio was 350 yen to a dollar. Now let us move fast forward to 1995, which is a period of 25 years. Japan's GDP grew to a level of 3.79 trillion US dollars and with a whopping growth of 20.95 times the per capita GDP, which became 44,000 US dollars in 1995. Now he's comparing the two periods vis-a-vis India, what the picture would look like. Current GDP of India is $4.13 trillion, so that we have a period of 22 years. The per capita GDP is almost similar to $2,100, which was there of Japan in 1970. The currency is depreciating at 3 to 5%. Going by the rule of 72 or the doubling periods, if we consider the real GDP growth of 6.5% currently, by 2047, considering the two doubling periods, India's GDP would touch around 16.5 trillion US dollars. Similarly, the other scenario is if we consider real GDP growth of 7% per annum, by 2045, we will be able to achieve the GDP of 16.52 trillion dollars, which logically makes sense to me.